so I've got two trees here. This is my driveway. You'd be able to drive your truck around here to get to this first tree, which is right here. This tree, which goes up there, directly in the middle of the screen here. Let me show you what's going on with that. You can see half of the trunk is just gone here at the base. I'm afraid it's going to fall any minute. It's really hollowed out here. It's a big tall tree. I wish I took care of it earlier. As you can see, that tree over there, it already fell down, so I'm getting pretty nervous. I'm going to give you another view of it. So yeah, this is that tree right there, right in the center. Alright, the second tree that I need cut is back here behind this basketball net. It could actually be two trees right here, so we might be looking at 3 trees to cut. But these 2 trees right in the center, which I'm zooming in on now, that one with the bark missing and the one right next to it, I believe both of these trees are, yeah, with that brown growth on it there, both of these trees are dead. This one, as you can see, is within striking distance of the neighbor's house. So yeah, these 2 trees, I think they're both dead. I don't see any signs of life on either of those, but they're pretty thin. I hope we can get an affordable price on this, but basically these are my emergencies there. I don't think any others are a problem at this point. Thanks.